everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Telegram people nearby option not showing. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are also not seeing nearby people option on your Telegram, then I will show you the details actually what is the problem, why it's not seeing there. As you can see, the people nearby feature on Telegram was removed in September 2024. Means this option is no longer available on your Telegram. The feature was removed because it has issues with the bots and the scammers. Because the scammers were misusing this option, so that's why the Telegram has been removed in September 2024. So, and below you will find the second point under explanation. The feature was replaced by business nearby, which features legitimate businesses. Means the nearby people option has been replaced by businesses nearby. That's it, guys. Now you came to know that nearby people option, why it is not available on your Telegram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.